Today we will talk about how to prepare for QSBA2024 Qlik Sense Business Analyst Certification exam and share practice questions to test yourself. First, let's introduce the exam. Then, understand the exam topics is very important. Preparation tips for your reference. 1. Two customers in an organization want to use an app that contains a finance data set. With different analysis objectives, each customer will only use a subset of that data. Which procedure should the business analyst follow? A. Apply section access to manage the data for each customer. B. Create multiple visualizations using set analysis. C. Duplicate and rename the apps for each customer. D. Unpivot, then reassociate the data tables for each customer. 2. A business analyst needs to rapidly prototype an application design for a prospective customer. The only dataset provided by the customer contains 30 fields, but has over 1 billion rows. It will take too long to keep loading in its entirety while the analyst develops the data model. Which action should the business analyst complete in the data manager? A. Split the dataset and create a normalized star schema of associated tables. B. Deselect text columns with unique data values to reduce the memory footprint. C. Use the filter data option to reduce the number of rows. D. Truncate text fields longer than 256 characters to create preview fields. 3. A business analyst designs a visualization to analyze a count of products by fixed price ranges. The customer now wants the price ranges to be dynamically modified so they are configurable by the application users. The business analyst modified the dimension axis on the visualization. Which step should the business analyst complete next? A. Define a variable and use it in a variable input object on the sheet. B. Create a calculated field in Data Manager, using the class function. C. Load an independent source file to contain the user-defined boundary values. D. Create the price range dimension using the buckets feature in Data Manager. 4. A business analyst needs to create a visualization that compares two measures over time using a continuous scale that includes a range. The measures will be profit and revenue. Which visualization should the business analyst use? A. Line chart. B. Bullet chart. C. Bar chart. D. Scatter plot. 5. A customer needs to demonstrate the value of sales for each month of the year with a rolling 3-month summary. Which visualization should the business analyst recommend to meet the customer's needs? A. Scatter plot. B. Meco chart. C. Combo chart. D. Pie chart. 6. A business analyst is building an app to analyze virus outbreaks. They create a bar chart using a dimension of continent, and a measure of sum, knowning sections. They require a secondary bar on the chart, so they create a second measure using count, major cities. The bar chart adjusts, but no bars are visible for this second measure. Which action should the business analyst take to resolve this issue? A. Enable value labels within the presentation section of the appearance properties. B. Recreate the second measure as an alternative measure. C. Change the y-axis range scale from auto to custom and select a suitable max value. D. Convert. 7. A business analyst receives multiple requests for a variety of different filter panes to be placed on a dashboard. Users need to filter on many different values across different fields. Which Qlik Sense feature do the users need to learn about to meet their needs? A. Smart Search. B. Data Model Viewer. C. Insight Advisor. D. Governed Self-Service. 8. A business analyst is creating an app for the team. A set of selections must be applied every time an app is opened. Which action should the business analyst take to meet this requirement? A. Use section access to predefine the default selections. B. Create a mashup and use the API to apply default selections. C. Use a sheet action and apply a bookmark named default. D. Create bookmark and set it as default bookmark. Thanks for your watching. Find the correct answers on the comments.